Hey guys, welcome to my channel Skill Up English and you know what? Today I am here to improve my English as well as I want you to speak English in front of peoples. Nowadays, you all know that English is very important and while speaking in English, you may feel nervous, shy, and sometimes you get stuck while speaking in English. It happens everyone, but just remember one thing that better thing take time to learn to achieve something big for your life. So start practicing from zero level. You don't need to focus on fluency first. You have to speak like simple version. There should be very confidence while speaking in English no matter how do you practice. Yes, I want to become an fluent but still I am learning and this is video for my speaking in English and I thought why not should I upload this my first day of learning English video on YouTube. So I just uploading my video for you because everyone has the same distraction and same problems. Many of you thinks that yes it would be easy to understand when we speak in front of cameras. So let's start with together to improve ourselves and start doing it simple way. If you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.